Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the easiest way to make the best relaxing bedtime spray. All you're going to need is some sort of empty bottle, washed of course, and I filled it about halfway with just water. I'm going to take however many scoops I want of any sort of relaxing scent boosters. You could use the downy ones, any ones that smell good to you. They don't even have to be relaxing. This is just what I happen to have on hand, or the lavender scented from Mrs. Meyer. I've had these in the back of my closet for a super long time, and I just kind of want to use them up, to be honest, so I'm going to throw them in this bedtime spray, and that way I can spray my sheets with them, my bedding with them, or even like my couches or throw blankets and stuff, just to kind of help get everybody in that mood for bed. You have your desired amount of scent boosters in here. All you have to do is kind of mix it up, shake it up, let it dissolve, let it do its thing, and then you are good to go to spray this on whatever you want. That's how you make your own really easy Febreze or bedtime spray in just a couple of seconds. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.